Did you know that your garden may be a treasure trove of medicinal wonders? It's true. Healing gardens, brimming with plants that have restorative properties, are more than just a feast for the eyes. For centuries, many cultures have harnessed the power of certain plants to ease ailments and enhance wellness. From soothing skin to calming nerves, these natural remedies often reside in our own backyards. So, what are some of these medicinal plants that might be hiding in plain sight in your garden? It's time to meet the medicinal stars of your garden. Let's start with aloe vera, a succulent plant species with a reputation for healing. Used for centuries, its gel-like interior is known for soothing burns, cuts, and even acne. Then we have mint. This refreshing herb isn't just a garnish for your mojito. Mint leaves are packed with health benefits, including aiding digestion and soothing headaches. And let's not forget lavender. This fragrant plant isn't just pleasing to the senses, it's a stress reliever too. Its essential oil is known for its calming effects, often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and better sleep. But remember, these are just stars, not the entire galaxy. There are countless other plants like chamomile, rosemary, thyme, each with their unique healing properties. These are just a few examples of the healing power that might be lurking in your own backyard. So, the next time you walk through your garden, look around. See the familiar foliage in a new light? Your garden is a treasure trove of potential medicinal wonders. From peppermint's soothing effects to the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, the power of these plants is immense. Knowledge of these plants is not only fascinating, but can be beneficial for your health. Remember, your garden is not only a place of beauty, but also a potential source of natural remedies. And don't forget, if you found this information useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating garden facts.